Of all the packages I get delivered to my home every day, there's one that I get excited about, and it's from Green Blender. Green Blender is a delivery service that incorporates two of my favorite things, green smoothies and healthy eating. Each week, Green Blender sends a box with easy-to-follow original smoothie recipes and all the pre-portioned fresh seasonal fruits and vegetables needed to make a tasty smoothie for 5 days. I love that Green Blender's smoothie kits fit perfectly in the fridge and take absolutely no time to prepare. The box and recipes also contain those hard to find and sometimes expensive superfoods like matcha, lucuma, acai, hemp seeds, and more that give your smoothie the extra boost it needs to help keep your body healthy, especially when you're constantly on the go. Just grab the ingredients for your smoothie of the day, put them in your blender along with ice and liquid, and voila! You have a delicious drink within minutes. An added bonus, each smoothie yields 2 12-ounce servings, so you can save some for later or share it. And anytime I need to take a break or I'm going out of town, I can skip deliveries when needed. Some people say eating healthy is hard. Green Blender brings the ease and convenience of getting my daily dose of nutritious fruits, vegetables, and superfoods directly to my doorstep.